Courtesy of Georgina. Oh! She made these herself. Right? So, I got a lot of photos about the lights. Why are the lights on? Frankie and I put the lights on yesterday first to test it. And second, because last year, I don't want to say that, but you guys screwed it up. We had 3 strings of lights and you only used 1 of them. So, we put the lights on. The rest is up to you. Go ahead, let's get the tree decorated.
Your boughs are green in summer's glow, and never fade in winter's snow. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Oh, tree of green, unchanging. O Tannenbaum, wie treu sind deine Blätter. O Tannenbaum, wie treu sind deine Blätter. Du grünst nicht nur zur Sommerzeit, nein auch im Winter, wenn es schneit. O Tannenbaum, wie treu sind deine Blätter. O Christmas tree, O tree of green unchanging. O Christmas tree, O tree of green unchanging. Your boughs are green in summer's glow, and never fade in winter's snow. O Christmas tree, O Christmas tree. O tree of green unchanging. Deck the hall with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Join me now la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in every measure. La 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 la. While I tell
I want to wish all my brothers and sisters, Vietnam veterans of America and all over the world, a very happy holiday to them and their families.
Sing we joyous all together, la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, la 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 la.
Merry Christmas and a happy holiday to everyone in the chapter. God bless.
To all the members from Thomas J. Torrey Chapter, Vietnam Veterans of America, Chapter 421. Enjoy your holidays, enjoy your Christmas, be safe, be happy, be merry, and I love you all, and I thank you for accepting me into your chapter, and thank you for accepting me into your lives. I love you. Thank you. All right.
Hello everybody, I'm Nicky Castoro. On behalf of my family, I'd like to wish all of you and your families a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and peace, prosperity, good health, and happiness for the year ahead.
Just want to wish everybody. You can't believe what Doc and Al Palucci are doing behind this camera, folks. They're terrible. They're a disgrace. In any case, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We love you all. Keep on coming back and be safe. Come on, beat.
The aggravation I go through here. I just want to wish everybody a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and thanks for being my brothers and sisters. I love you all. Thank you. God bless.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. All my brothers here and all my brothers represented on the wall. Have a great Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Love yous all.
Are you back? Are you doing
You're on the air.
Oh, you're
We're on the air.
You're on the air.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
We want to hear a little tune. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
I've been doing it for years. So you're on the top.
You're on the air.
Excuse me, we're filming here. Take one.
You're on the air.
Wait a minute.
On the air?
You're on the air.
I'd like to wish a Merry Christmas, healthy and Happy New Year to all members and associates of Chapter 421. Love you all. Thank you for your kind words through my troubled times. But hopefully this new year will be the best year for all of us. God bless. And God bless.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas to the chapter. I hope everybody is enjoying our tree. And again, we did a lot of work up at this monument for our
Gentlemen, like to say
brothers
hello.
and our sisters. So again, have a good holiday and many more. God bless you.
Okay, go ahead. Thank you.
Hi, from one Vietnam vet to all the great Americans, especially great Americans on Staten Island. Have a Merry Christmas and a very best New Year ever.
Very good. Thank you.
When the sun lies low on the horizon and the leaves are blanketing the ground.
All right, what we want to do today is Christmas 2015. One salute to our 85. God bless. You'll never be forgotten, boys. Never, ever. Thank you. Salute. Yeah.
On the trees, spread colors like a rainbow of hope from sea to sea. I can feel those neon ribbons uniting you to me. When I see candles in the windows and the stars upon the trees. It's the season for love and celebration, when the family of humanity joins hands. It's a special holiday where cradles, toys, and Santa's sleigh paint the world from white and gray to a sparkling fairyland. Candles in rainbows and the stars upon the trees spread colors like a rainbow of hope from sea to sea. I can feel those neon ribbons